Hi class, it's Amanda. This week I'm talking about road construction in Missouri. There are three most dangerous effects of road construction and management are noise, dust, and vibration. Noise mainly occurs during road construction phases, but it can occur to lesser degree during the maintenance operation. Dust is created during the construction of gravel roads and unbound aggregated layers. In addition to fragmenting habitats, constructing a road alters the habitat. When a road runs through a forest, it creates an edge habitat along the portion of the forest that fringes the road. This can have consequences for birds, as prediction rates on bird nests are sometimes higher in edge habitats. To stop cities from heating up too much, green infrastructure in urban areas is important. Trees evaporate water, which immediately cools down the surroundings. At the same time, they absorb CO2, which add to the migration of climate overheating. The cooling effect is diminished by road construction. The main problem arising for road constructions are road alignment, which can be very complex, geological disturbances, soil erosion, loss of forest and other vegetation, drainage problems, silting of water reservoir, and displacement of animals and birds and other wildlife.